Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And a question that I've had that is interesting is about games and the fact that some games require TPM 2.0 on your computer to actually work. And so the question was, why do video games require TPM, Trusted Platform Module? So it has to do with the anti-cheat system. What happens is that the anti-cheat relies on TPM 2.0 for encryption to prevent any type of code from modifying the anti-cheat system and kind of bypassing the security of the software. So that's why they do that. They are implementing it to increase the security of the feature that prevents cheating and prevents piracy also of the software. So by using TPM 2.0, it makes it harder for that to happen. That's the official response, the official thing. And I could see, especially for the piracy side of things, why your computer needs a TPM2 for the games. I get it, but not everybody will be okay with that. Not everybody will say, oh well, it's for other reasons, having PCs that are more advanced and so on. That I don't necessarily go there because games already demand very powerful PCs. So what happens is that for the most part, if you buy if you want to have the latest Call of Duty, latest Battlefield game, you will anyways have a much more advanced PC than most people, and it will have TPM 2.0 in it anyways. So it's not much of a problem with that. Games are what probably if you're a gamer and you have a gaming machine, you're the one that has probably the more advanced PCs and change things all the time. Especially if you have a desktop, changing the graphics adapter and so on. But for the most part, it is used for the anti-cheat system. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.